Are you overwhelmed by your investing? Is it causing you more stress? This video will give you 3 signs to look for to know when you're investing too much. I think the third sign is the most important. I'm sure you're thinking, how can I be investing too much? You can never invest too much money, but the reality is that you can. You might think the more money I invest, the better, but in reality, investing more money can do more harm than good. The first sign that you're investing too much is that you don't have an emergency fund. With the ease of investing apps like Webull and M1 Finance and Acorn, investing for the everyday person is easier than ever. And I believe that can be a great thing. The problem is that often we can get so excited about investing that we forget to save. We see the crazy low interest rates banks will pay us for putting our money in a savings account, and we think, I can do better with investing. Investing my money will give better returns. As true as this may be, you should still have an emergency fund. I suggest an emergency fund of 6 to 9 months, especially in these turbulent times. I have my emergency fund with Prize Pool. Their interest rate is better than other savings accounts, and you have quick access to your money in case of an emergency. They also have a weekly drawing, which makes saving even more fun. I'll leave a link for you down in the description. The second sign you're investing too much is you're investing but not paying down your debt. Of course, this can depend on your interest rates, but if you're paying more in interest on a debt than the interest you're making on an investment, then you're losing money. I know it can be tempting to want to invest and be in the market, and everyone is telling you how important investing is, which it is important. However, don't invest for the sake of investing. If you're investing and you have a pile of credit card debt, then it's time to rethink some things. The third sign you're investing too much is you're denying yourself activities. Yes, you should invest in your future, but not at the expense of today. Consider using a budget and maybe the 50-15-5 rule, where 15% goes towards your investment. If you want to invest more than 15%, try the 50-30-20 rule, where 20% goes towards saving and investing. You have to decide what is best for you in your situation. But don't miss out on activities that you will later regret just to invest. You work hard for your money, and you should enjoy some of it now. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.